Switch, network switch. Function, connects multiple devices, computers, printers, etc., within the same local area network, LAN. Purpose, forwards data within a network. How it works. Uses MAC addresses to send data directly to the correct device on the network. Layer. Operates mostly at Layer 2, data link layer of the OSI model. Example. If computer A wants to send a file to computer B in the same office, the switch ensures the data goes only to computer B. Router, function, connects different networks together, e.g. your home LAN to the internet. Purpose, routes data between networks. How it works. Uses IP addresses to determine the best path for data to travel across networks. Layer. Operates at Layer 3, network layer of the OSI model. Example. When you visit a website, the router sends your request from your home network to the internet and gets the response back.